Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Equalizer APO and the configuration editor so you can edit profiles. Run the editor as administrator to avoid permission errors. Once done, open the device list and enable processing for the exact playback device you use, because APO must attach to that device to work. Make sure to reboot after installation. That finalizes driver hooking. If you plan multiple profiles, create a folder now and give each profile a clear name so switching later is quick and error-free. You'll now build the filter chain. Add parametric EQs PEC for narrow problems, high/low shelves for broad tonal moves, and notch filters to remove resonances. This is how you shape frequency response precisely. Once you add filters, set preamp and gain staging to prevent clipping, and use a crossover if separating subwoofer output. Make sure to /B test by toggling filters on and off to hear changes. Save distinct profiles for music, move-is, and voice so you can switch instantly without rebuilding. You'll finish by fine-tuning with measurement or trusted reference tracks so adjustments are objective. Boost or cut in small increments and listen for tonal shifts. Once satisfied, test different volumes to ensure no clipping and check latency or driver mismatches if sound is delayed. Switching Windows' default device can break APO linkage. If things go wrong, reload a known good profile or reset to defaults. Backing up your profile folder prevents lost work and speeds recovery, which is often the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.